Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you step by step how to create your own history book for kids using two powerful tools. One of them is Canva and another one is ChatGPT. Whether you are a teacher, a parent or an aspiring children's author, this method is super easy, beginner friendly and totally free to get started. By the end of this video, you will have your very own Illustrator storybook ready to share or print. So without any further ado, let's dive into it. So first of all, you just need to generate your story with ChatGPT. So first step is to create your actual story content using ChatGPT. Head over to the chatgpt.open.ai.com and log into your account. Then type your prompt like this way. In here, you just need to type your prompt, right? Short. We just need to be type that one, that write a story for children age 4 to 7 about a curious rabbit who goes on an adventure to find the rainbow. And you will instantly get a creative, well-written history. If you don't like the first draft, just click regenerate. Let's try to do it, and then or ask for changes like adding dialogue or shortening the story. You can also ask ChatGPT to split it into a simple page, like break this story into 8 pages each with short sentence and a little or a title. So here, once it's done, then I will tell him that break this story into 8 pages each with short sentence and title, and then again hit the enter button. Once you did, then you will get now copy the final version of the history into a textbook or keep it open. We will use it in a Canva to turn into a real book. So here you can see it already been give us the 8 pages. So now into the next step, you just need to set up a storybook layout in Canva. Now go to the canva.com and log in or create a free account. In search bar, type for a storybook. Just search here story, S-T-O, storybook or children's book, whatever. Then just hit enter. Once you did, then here you will get a couple of things. So I will go over here to the home, and again I will just go over here, or I can click the template and then search for story book and then hit enter, and you will get it here. So you just need to find pre-made templates. You can also start from scratch by clicking on custom size and entering dimension like 8.5 into 11 inches. So how you can do it, you just need to go back to the home and then click to the custom size, and from that place you just need to provide your width. Like I will select the inches and then I will provide this 8.5, height will be the 11, and here you can see a couple of planner, portrait, sales sheet, portal and many more, notebook cover. So I'll click this one and then it will open in here. So you just already created a new project and name it something fun like the rainbow rabbit. So I'm going to give the name, the title will be the rainbow rabbit, and here actually you can see it already been done. Now you will see blank pages ready to customize. So you just need to design your cover page. So let's begin with the cover. Add a colorful background, font fonts, and upload or search for Illustrator using Canva built-in image library. Type keywords like rabbit, rainbow or forest to find cute illustrations. Like here you just need to go over here, then search for forest and then hit enter, and here you will get all this. So you just need to select the photos, and from that place you just need to find it out the free one. So once you find it the free one, then you can easily paste it in that place. So I'm going to provide this one, and then I will come over back here and then I'll search for rainbow and hit enter. You just need to find this. I will go over here all, and then I'll click to the see all, and then I will find this. You can choose any of them if it is available in here for your uses. So I am going to provide this in that place, and I put it in that place. Now I will looking for a rabbit, so I'll search a rabbit here, and from that place you just need to be copy one of them. Let's say I'm going to copy this one, and here I did it, and I am going to add an title also here. So I will click this one, add heading, and then I will change the font as it I want. So I'll use the Sunday font, and then I will make sure the font size and everything is quite good. So I'll make it increase the size of the font, and then definitely I am going to change the color into white. White will be the quite good. Then I will make an layover, like I will click on to the effect, and then I will select on outline, and then the outline will be the black one. So black, make it clear. So I'll increase the thickness, and here you can see it already been designed. So make it visible appealing, since the cover is what grab kids attention first. So take time in here always. Then you just need to add a story text and image to each. Now go page by page and paste each line to your story into Canva. You can use a big readable font like Comic New or Baldo for kids. Keep each page simple, on or two short sentences max. Then use Canva's elements to add images that match the scenes you can. Also you can use help of ChatGPT. Let's say we are going to create fast page. So Benny see the rainbow, Benny see the rainbow. So I am going to click on magic media, and then I'll generate this one. So I'll choose the style will be the filmic, and then I'll generate the image, and here I will copy this one, the title, and then I just need to provide the title in here. So the process is literally the simple. So here I will use this image in here. Let's say I'm going to use this one, so I will place it here, use one of them, and here I'm going to provide the title on the top. So I am going to paste it in here. So here you can see Benny sees the rainbow. So I am going to increase the size of the text and then paste it here, and then I have a couple of other things. I just need to copy it, and then similarly you just need to be provided another one. For example, if the page says the rabbit bound through the green meadow, add a meadow background and the bunny jumping. Keep the design consistent and with bright playful colors. Repeat this process for all your story pages, usually 6 to 10 pages. It is perfect for younger kids. So here now I will copy this one, and then I will paste it in here, and always remember, make your background attractive. So I will go over here element, and then I will find a couple of images which will be good for us as a using of rabbit. So I'm going to use a cartoon rabbit. So I'll search for cartoon, and let's hit enter, and you will eventually see a couple of images in that place. So let's find it out, the desired one for us. Let's see, scroll down into the end and see does it available here. Okay, we are not able to find any of them, so I will go to the graphics, and from that place I will choose them, and then I will decrease the size and I will paste them here. Similarly, you just need to make your page more applicable for your users. So it's totally depend on you. So here eventually you can see it looks really good. So similarly, you just need to be create all of them page in here one by one. So now you just need to be export it and share your storybooks. Just click to the share and then click to the download and choose the PDF standard, and then just click to the download and it will be done. Now you can print it at home, upload it to Amazon KDP, or share it as an ebook on your blog or social media or classroom website. That's it. You have just created your own children's storybook using Canva and ChatGPT. It is fast and fun and super rewarding. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.